Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your audio output device in DaVinci Resolve. This is particularly useful when you want to route your audio to different speakers, headphones, or external monitors while editing your projects. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it's launched and you're on the main interface, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the DaVinci Resolve menu there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, locate and click on Preferences. This is where all your application settings and configurations are housed, allowing you to customize DaVinci Resolve to suit your workflow. After clicking Preferences, a new window will open up, displaying a range of settings categories on the left side panel. Look through these options and click on Video and Audio. This section contains all the controls related to how DaVinci Resolve handles your video and audio inputs and outputs, making it the perfect place to adjust your audio routing. Once you're in the video and audio settings, you'll notice several subsections and options. Scroll through until you find Audio I/O, which stands for Audio Input/Output. Within this section, look for the option labeled Output Device. This is the setting that controls where your audio playback will be routed during editing and playback. Next to Output Device, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available audio output devices connected to your system. This could include your built-in speakers, external monitors with audio capabilities, USB audio interfaces, or headphones. Take a moment to review the available options and select the output device you want to use for your audio playback. This choice will determine where you hear your project's audio when working in DaVinci Resolve. After selecting your preferred output device from the drop-down, you're ready to finalize the change. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the Preferences window, and click it. This confirms your selection and applies the new audio output settings to DaVinci Resolve. Your audio will now play through the device you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your audio output device in DaVinci Resolve, giving you complete control over where your audio is being routed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.